What's the tortillas?
They're gone. All done. No mas.
Just 2 tortillas?
Yeah.
What kind of Mexican do you think I am?
I don't know.
What the heck? Here. Here. Put the tortillas.
Go away.
Here.
Stop it.
Isn't this what white people use to flip tortillas?
No, we use the tongs.
Oh, they're right there.
But I don't need them. How many eggs you want?
You want thongs?
How many eggs do you
What do you
want?
say? White people wear thongs?
How many eggs do you want? Focus, Michael. Focus.
My tortilla's burning.
Your tortillas are not burning.
Should we put them on here? Put them on this?
No, I was gonna heat them up in the microwave.
Oh, so I could get radiation?
Oh Lord.
The Lord did not get radiation. There was no microwave during that time. The original pilgrims. You're having a meal with us indigenous people. Now, are you gonna give me a disease and kill me?
No, you already gave me one.
Herpes doesn't count. That's not deadly. So what diseases are you gonna give me? COVID? Your ancestors wiped out a whole swarm of people, of Indians. So am I gonna get to sit on the table and eat with the pilgrims?
No. Goodbye. Happy Thanksgiving. Piss off. Thanks for working the devil, dork.
Yes. That's less people here.
Oh my God. Does not make me happy.
It's a Christmas miracle. No.
You just
Why
baked them?
are they called sweet potatoes? They don't look sweet. You know I don't eat this, right?
Yeah, no, you don't. You're not the only one who's coming to dinner.
Well, why would I want you cooking something I'm not gonna eat?
Because it's
That
not
makes
all about
no
you.
sense.
Believe it or not.
It's not?
No.
Let me check the address of this house. I don't know whose house am I at. I mean, it's not all about me.